everybody. Welcome to another vlog. We are going paddleboarding. So we got one paddleboard and then can you guys even see that? Other paddleboard on top of the golf cart. And so I gotta get this one up top. So we can get down to the beach to actually go paddleboarding. What's that? Hades got a bird.
Huh?
Hades killed a bird.
Killed a bird?
No.
Or just severely injured?
He caught it?
Yeah. So I put the bird out here so it's not in our yard. They don't know.
Oh my gosh.
He's been trying to flap, but I don't know if he's going to be able to fly, but I don't know what else to do.
There's really
Not much you
nothing
can do.
else.
Hades caught a bird.
Yeah, so Hades now inside.
Yeah. Was he chasing it?
No, he was lying there and all of a sudden, because I had his chain underneath my chair to limit his distance of where he can go, which is why I moved over to where the bird net feeder is. And he was just lying. I glanced over, he's lying in the woods, and all of a sudden, I felt him jump, and I looked, and then he had it in his hand, in his mouth. The bird happened to come down low enough that Hades jumped and got him.
Oh.
So I got the bird out of Hades' mouth, took Hades inside, and
Yeah.
hopefully he will get away.
Hopefully. Oh my gosh. That is crazy.
I can't believe. The bird is very freaked.
Yeah, literally. Oh.
So I'm going to leave him there and hopefully he makes his way somewhere else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Hades is banished for the inside for a while.
Fair enough. Oh my gosh.
Maybe put him even on a tighter leash where he can't go into that feeder area.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I had it so he couldn't climb the fence.
Yeah.
That's how close he could lie out there, but he wasn't able. I didn't think he could jump. I didn't think the bird would get low enough that he would jump to get him.
Yeah.
Wow.
Unfortunately.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. Okay, so here's our little rig for this. You excited to go paddleboarding, Abby?
Huh?
Excited to go paddleboarding?
Yeah, that will be fun.
It will be a blast.
I didn't do it like the proper way because I'm like, we don't need it the proper
That's
way.
all good. Make sure this doesn't get caught in the tire.
Oops.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's get the paddles.
Oh, right. Wouldn't it be good to forget those? All right. Well, we're gonna go paddleboarding. Exciting.
Yes.
Nothing. Just watching you knock the sand off. You maybe want to do mine? I appreciate that.
We missed that.
Good one? Ooh, that's really coming off. Anyways, we finished paddleboarding, tanning on the paddleboards. Now, ready to go back? Now we're heading back, so we gotta get all this stuff back to the golf carts. We'll see you guys soon. Wish us luck. I'm sorry.
Okay, so a bird pooped on me, guys. And then Liam just dumped dish soap on me.
Jennifer soap. What did you mean when you said just put some soap on me? Like,
I meant like a little drop, not a full. He did like a full line. Oh, I'm gone.
sorry about that.
I am so gone.
Anyways, Abby has good luck because she got pooped on.
No, that was disgusting. I think if it was on my face though, or on my leg, on my hair, I actually would be like ready to go home. Like I'd be like fully
Going
in
back
the
to
shower.
Calgary.
Yeah. Okay, I need you to rinse this because it's all soaked up.
Anyways,
It's okay.
you don't need more?
It will just dry off.
Okay.
That was so funny. And then he had the audacity to go, would you kill me if I went to get my camera? This is gold. Like, bro.
What? It was gold. That was really funny.
I actually would have killed myself.
That was hilarious.
That's crazy. Anyway.
Anyway.
Okay, ready? Oh, and I hit her. Or Theon. Oh, that was so close.
Wait, why am I slow over there? Wait.
I just separated them so that would have been my bad. So we just restart?
Sure.
Up to you. I don't really.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys did decide to go a little across the angle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alien, move over. That was really bad.
It's a little too high.
Yep. Hard bit.
Dylan's very concerned. That was a good one.
Nice, okay. That's 2 points.
Think so, yeah?
Frick. Too high. Okay.
Okay. Can I see Matthew do it?
Sorry, do you want me to like do this angle? Oh. That sucks.
Rats, I got 1 point.
1 point? Oh, because mine cancels out. Right. Sorry, do you want to just get your tripod?
Sure, that's a great idea.
I'm sure it is.
Please watch you throw ball.
Hi, buddy. Yeah.
She's watching you guys throw every ball.
Alright, I go first this time. Go. Watch out.
She's like, man, when I'm drinking. Aren't you? Yeah, I can
Go.
see it in your eyes, but
What?
you've been drinking.
Ooh. Why are you blowing on me?
Interference.
Okay, that was sabotage. I agree.
It was not. Hey, you gonna throw that or
I'm gonna wait for Coco.
Go.
Coco, come here. Come on.
Coco.
Out of the way.
Ready?
Out of
You
the
can
way,
chase it.
Coco.
It's okay.
Sit.
She's interfering.
Go.
She's gonna lie down.
Now lie down. Down. 0 points.
What a win, though. That's what I was hoping. Yellow. Who goes first? Me?
You.
Okay.
So.
This one.
Nope.
And then it's this one. And then it's this one. There we go. And yours. There you go.
There we go.
You're welcome for untangling your balls.
Thanks, Abby.
No worries.
One.
Me.
Abby. Nice shot.
What happens if I get it in the hammock?
0 points.
Come on.
Okay.
That was something.
Yeah, something good.
That was in.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm still a point ahead.
Oh, and that wasn't.
I'm still at 2 points and you're at 0.
Okay, yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah, because she would have she would know the Disney rules
Yep.
very well.
She's gonna get married anyways, even
Yep.
though her mom's not gonna be there.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Oh,
made her
trust
work
me.
for it.
Yep. See what I mean
Stupid.
by they could like really mess up the season.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like because if it does not happen like that, what's the conflict?
yeah.
Yep.
Stupid. So stupid.
Flames are building. It's just the wood is not.
Diameter of the steel. I hope so. The 31-inch circumference one will be like a dummy size. Yeah.
And it doesn't matter which one of the styles either, by the way.
Celery. When you have that set in there, just to bite into water with air in it.
You like celery.
I do. He's referencing another
No, but I've been requested to change it to
Breakfast routine.
Cheated on you already.
breakfast routine.
Rapper's not happening.
So that's what I'm doing is breakfast routine. But I'm adding sausage to it.
They're gonna fall off. Quick, quick, quick.
Quick, what? There's no cookies.
They're gonna fall off. I need your hand.
That's gonna burn me.
No, it won't. Hurry.
Quick.
There's one. What is that sound?
It's burning me. Are they both for you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Pass me another marshmallow.
You want one?
I'm okay, thank you. Kyla, you left your marshmallows on there.
Oh, it's hot.
Leave it. Have a good day, Abby.
It's very hot.
Have a good day.
Uh-huh.
That was Kyle. I'm sure that's what she would have said.
Probably.
All right, good night. Good night, Abby.
Good night.
No, never mind you.
Like I
Good night.
always do. Oh. There's you.